The NUI Galway Innocence Clinic is about an effort to introduce to students here the issue of wrongful convictions. And during the first semester, we explored how wrongful convictions happen and why they happen. And then we applied that knowledge to an actual case during the second semester. And in this case, it was the Mom Trosner murder case.
My experience of the NUI Galway Innocence Clinic has definitely been one of learning. I was working on a team looking into press coverage of the event Mom Trosner and how press at the time may have influenced a jury. This involved using the Irish newspaper archive to search back to see exactly what the press was saying at this time and how it might have influenced people involved with the case.
As a part of our investigation, we undertook a visit to the law firm which represented our clients in the case, which we are seeking to exonerate. This was a really amazing experience and something we would not have had a chance to do had it not been for the Innocence Project. It allowed us to use both our legal skills and, in complementary to this, the journalism skills of the others which they taught us.
I think that law and journalism fit very well together when looking at and investigating wrongful convictions. And I say that because law students tend to approach this goal of addressing a wrongful conviction or a miscarriage of justice in a very linear approach. It's all about the process and following that process. But for journalism students, there really isn't any process. It's the process of wherever the questions take them.
I think for me, the Innocence Clinic has been a real eye-opening experience. It's made me think about the law and it's made me think about justice in a way that my mind was not open to before.
It allowed us to use research skills which we would not have traditionally used in our undergraduate degrees, such as archival research and investigative techniques.
So I think what's important to remember is that even though the students were working on a historical case that dated back to 1882, wrongful convictions know no boundaries. They happen in every jurisdiction. They can happen to anybody, anytime, anywhere, and they do. So the same things that contributed to this wrongful conviction in 1882, for example, they're still contributing to wrongful convictions today.
We've gotten a chance to really make a difference in a case. It has showed us our responsibility to give a voice to others who may not have been able to speak for themselves. Although justice was not done at the first instance, through our work we can vindicate justice for someone.
I think that the students, they get an opportunity to really have hands-on experience and developing skills that are very marketable and that will be very useful in the workplace later on.